Welcome to 6159 Farrier Court in the beautiful golf community of Heritage Hunt in Gainesville, Virginia. We've got an amazing clubhouse, beautiful amenities, and tons of walking spaces. Come on in, let's take a look at this beautiful model. On the outside, we have stucco and stone, and on the inside, we have all new paint, all new carpet, and a newer roof, so come take a look. This end unit single family home offers an expansive kitchen open to the family room and this beautiful maple kitchen with Corian counters, gas cooking, convection oven / microwave, and an additional convection oven. All appliances are GE profile, stainless steel, ready for you to move right in. Double-sided fireplace with the living room on one side, the family room on the other. This model also features a main level office with French doors that are glass and a separate suite for your guests with a bedroom and a private full bath. The Lakemont model offers 2 large walk-in closets and a beautiful bathroom with a stand-up shower, soaking tub, and double vanity, along with a separate water closet. This great covered porch off your sunroom offers some shade with views of your cherry tree, crepe myrtle trees, and just gorgeous flowers abound.